Travel is more than just discovering new places. It's an experience that enriches our lives. But to truly embrace these adventures, our well-being must be at the forefront. Welcome back to the safe space in our travel planning journey. In this essential chapter, we dive into the heart of mindful travel. It's about understanding and implementing key health and safety measures that transform good trips into great and safe ones. Whether you're wandering through ancient ruins, relishing exotic cuisines, or exploring the wilderness, your health and safety are the silent guardians of your travel memories. Are you ready? Let's begin. In our last video, we mastered the art of packing with purpose in order to fully immerse yourself in every experience along your journey. Let's take a moment to go over the essentials of ensuring your well-being, so that you can explore your dream destination with both confidence and peace of mind. Traveling opens us up to new experiences and adventures, but it also requires mindfulness about our health and safety. It's about being prepared, staying aware, and making smart choices. Before you set off, take some time to research your destination's health advisories. Are there recommended or required vaccinations? What are the local healthcare facilities like? What are your safest options if illness or injuries occur? Have you thought about making a list of your medications, allergies, and emergency contacts? Remember, knowledge is not just power, it's protection. Utilize travel advisories, websites, apps, and resources provided by your local government. If it's available, register with your country's international travel enrollment program to provide specific details about your travel plans to your local consulates and embassies in the event of an emergency. This can ensure easier access to assistance if necessary. You're not only ensuring a safer travel experience, but also your peace of mind. Equipping yourself with a travel health kit, securing comprehensive travel insurance, and seeking expert health advice are key steps in your prep work. These actions don't just safeguard your health, they ensure your journey remains well-grounded and enjoyable. It's also a good idea to take the necessary steps to boost your overall health in anticipation of your journey. Travel can be taxing on your body and mind, so eating well, resting, and easing some of the stress by planning well are all important to maintaining a strong and healthy sense of well-being. Safety also extends to how you interact with your environment. Are there local customs or some cultural awareness that you need to be mindful of? Do traffic laws vary significantly from your home country? Is local crime a consideration you need to be aware of within your destination? Be cautious with your belongings. Stay vigilant in unfamiliar settings, and always trust your instincts. Additional considerations about safety when traveling internationally are imperative If you are traveling solo, an unaccompanied minor, belong to or identify with a marginalized group, or are a first-time traveler. Oftentimes, a little caution goes a long way in not only ensuring your safety, but creating secure and meaningful experiences. Remember that staying healthy and safe is an integral part of travel planning. It allows you to embrace the world's wonders with assurance and an open heart. So, plan well, stay informed, and embark on your travels with the confidence that you're as prepared as you can be for the journey ahead. Staying healthy and safe is the foundation of any unforgettable journey. It's the unsung hero that allows us to explore, discover, and enjoy our travels to the fullest. By taking these thoughtful steps toward ensuring your health and safety, you're not just planning a trip, you're paving the way for a journey rich in experiences, free from worry, and full of joy. So as you embark on your adventure, carry these tips close to your heart and let them guide you to new horizons. See you in the next video, and travel well, friends.